Welcome to our guide on classic patio design inspiration. Whether you love retro styles or want to refresh your outdoor space, this guide will help you create a timeless patio. From furniture and decor to colors and accessories, let's explore traditional patio designs. Classic vintage patio design brings the charm of the past to your outdoor space. Inspired by different decades, traditional patios can be romantic, mid-century modern, or bohemian. By mixing elements from these periods, you can create a stylish and timeless patio. Furniture is the foundation of any patio design. For a traditional look, choose wrought iron or wooden furniture with detailed designs. Wrought iron is elegant and weather-resistant, perfect for outdoors. Use traditional textiles like lace tablecloths, crochet doilies, and embroidered pillows for added texture. These items enhance the nostalgic feel. Decorative accessories bring your classic patio to life. Look for antique or retro-style items like lanterns, candle holders, and planters. Lighting is key to creating the right ambiance. String lights with a warm glow evoke a nostalgic atmosphere. Drape them across your patio or hang them from trees for a magical effect. Lanterns and candles add a cozy feel. Place them on tables, hang them from hooks, or line pathways with them. Creating cozy seating areas is essential. Arrange your furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation. Mix seating options like benches, chairs, and daybeds. The final touches make your traditional patio unique. Personalize your space with meaningful items or collections. Water features add tranquility and elegance. A bird bath, small fountain, or old-fashioned water bowl can be beautiful focal points. Thank you for joining us in exploring traditional patio design. We hope you feel inspired to create your own outdoor retreat filled with charm and nostalgia. A classic patio is a place to relax and enjoy the beauty of the past. Happy decorating.